Hello, welcome back to our channel, where we provide everything you need to know about your health. Today we will explain stroke and how it happens. A stroke can happen suddenly, but the damage begins within minutes. Understanding what happens inside the body can help you recognize it early and act fast. What is a stroke? A stroke occurs when blood flow to part of the brain is interrupted. Without oxygen and nutrients, brain cells begin to die. The most common type is ischemic stroke, where a clot blocks a blood vessel supplying the brain. Another type is hemorrhagic stroke, where a blood vessel ruptures and leaks blood into the brain tissue. In both cases, normal blood flow is disrupted. This means brain cells are no longer receiving oxygen. Within minutes, affected brain cells begin to fail. This process is called brain ischemia. As cells lose oxygen, they cannot produce energy. Toxic substances begin to build up, leading to cell damage and death. What increases the risk? Several factors make a stroke more likely. The most important is hypertension, which damages blood vessels over time. Other risk factors include diabetes, smoking, high cholesterol, obesity, and physical inactivity. These conditions weaken or block blood vessels, making a stroke more likely to occur. What are the symptoms? As more brain cells are affected, symptoms begin suddenly. These may include weakness on one side of the body, difficulty speaking, confusion, or loss of vision. This is why stroke symptoms appear quickly and without warning. The longer the brain goes without oxygen, the more damage occurs. This is why stroke is a medical emergency. Early treatment can restore blood flow and limit damage, but delays can lead to permanent disability or death. Treatment and recovery. A stroke does not wait, and neither should you. If you notice sudden weakness, speech difficulty, or facial drooping, seek medical help immediately. Acting fast can save a life. After treatment, the brain begins a slow recovery process. Some functions may return as healthy parts of the brain adapt. However, recovery depends on how quickly treatment was given and how much damage occurred. Prevention. Many strokes can be prevented. Control your blood pressure, manage conditions like diabetes, stay physically active, avoid smoking, and eat a balanced diet. What other preventive measures do you know? Drop your answers in the comments section, and don't forget to share this video to educate others. That's all we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.